Good afternoon, dear subscriber and our guest. Today, the chef will teach you segment continue. You can add extra flavors to meat by larding it. For pork, any aromatic herbs were great, for example, the most classic ones, thyme and rosemary. You can also lard the meat with capers, garlic, forage, celery, and olives. They'll give the meat juiciness and a wonderful depth of flavor.
Before going into the oven, the meat needs to come up to room temperature, so don't forget to take it out of the fridge at least an hour ahead of time.
Make sure to pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels, really get it bone dry. Otherwise the pork will steam in its own juices rather than roast. Which isn't necessarily bad, but you won't get that beautiful golden crust and the flavor that comes with it. Moving on. Score the skin of the ham in a diamond pattern, meaning cut the skin into diamond shapes, slicing through the layer of fat underneath, but not cutting into the meat itself.
In the oven, the fat will slowly melt, run down, baste the meat, and seal the crust, preventing the leaner parts from drying out. Place a couple of tart apples and a few heads of garlic on the baking tray alongside the meat, cutting the garlic heads in half crosswise. They'll make the dish look stunning and pair beautifully with any side. That's all for today, but there's definitely more to come. It'll be useful and great.